So, let's get right into this video.
The fan that, this is me, Mama E in the back talking. The fam that challenged us, his name was Robert. So shout out to Robert. And we want to challenge Prissy.
Okay, so we got cream soda. Let me try it.
Whoa! Wow!
Boy, you already got a lot in your cup. All right.
Now, try it, Javion. You gotta say. Oh! Ow! Took an arrow. All right, so
I'ma
we
get
got
some ginger ale, brother.
We got ginger ale.
I feel like this gonna make us
Yeah.
burp. Most definitely.
Uh-oh.
All right.
I would get so let's see. And it's you. So the letter say you. So
Drink yours, Javion. Javion, drink yours. Drink yours.
Wait.
Wow.
Okay, drink the Mountain Dew. I'm gonna finish mine.
Let's open it with you.
Mountain Dew, brother. Woo!
Let's hear me. Go, let us say you. Let's go, let us say you. Let's go, let us say you. A,
Mountain Dew.
B, B, P. What is your spells?
You got some.
I got arrow. Two arrow.
I'm gonna go with Coke.
Ow. I got two arrow. Ow. Two arrow. Ow. Two arrow. Ow. Look at arrow. Two arrow. Ow. I got green one. Let's get go black and orange. Let's go green one. Go
Coke
make a
time.
Go time.
Want some Coke?
Go. Whoa! Uncle Brown again. Son Brown. Oh, Uncle
Now,
Brown
this
again.
is gonna really make it.
Here go. Okay. So the last thing
I don't know what type of burp that was.
the last thing you.
Try peach. I think
Oh, chocolate matter.
we'll do the trick.
Ooh, chocolate matter.
Kind of hard.
It's going to you. And the king.
Okay.
Ooh, chocolate matter.
Mountain Dew.
Peanut. How you said that's what it called? Peanut.
Wow!
Pineapple.
Awesome!
I thought it
Whoa! Whoa! This is so big. Whoa! This is so big. Ooh.
What did I not try? This one.
Okay.
burp, Javion. Shit. See, you can't even do it no more. There you go. There you go. Yeah. That's what's called burp.
Good. I know what makes me really burp.
I'm sorry.
Here it comes.
Get your dada! I get dada! I get you! Hey, where'd you go there?
If we had some really cold Coke. Okay, I know we had a lot to drink. As y'all can tell, that me and Javion has lost this challenge. I did not burp very well. Queen was the master of burping. So, y'all make sure that y'all like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you share this video with your friends. And we at this thing.
Javion say, thanks for watching.
He cried.
It's okay.
Oh, and comment down below.
See you guys later. Peace.